Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is yet another attempt by me at vlogging, and we have a fun couple of days ahead of us. Actually, it's 28th May today, so आज हमारी छुट्टी है because of Bakri Eid. That is why I have this day off. I am on call though, but I've taken a swap for the on call for tomorrow because tomorrow is my birthday. And so आज रात उसकी केक कटिंग करेंगे and we'll have a small party with all of my friends. And also a couple of big news. So to force myself to vlog more, I have bought this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I am loving. Achha, and by the way, I have not bought the creator combo for anybody trying to buy. You don't need the creator combo, you just need the camera, man, because honestly all the other attachments you can buy for very less compared to the creator combo. Like I have my mic which has that C dongle जो directly लग जाता है, and that is working with this one as well. Plus my tripod has that 1x4 inch वाला mounting screw, so वो भी same, that works with this, and it charges like with any battery bank or a fast charger like any other phone, so you don't really need that battery extension. तो 40,000 का कैमरा आता है या फिर 60,000 का क्रिएटर कॉम्बो, इससे अच्छा 40 का बस कैमरा ही ले लो. So I think that should be good. But इसकी इतनी सारी सेटिंग्स हैं, आई एम नॉट इवन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ISO, shutter speed, मेरे को कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. आई बिन वॉचिंग लाइक लास्ट 2 days से non-stop, and there is so much stuff that I don't know, that there are the pro settings on this camera to take those cinematic shots, but hopefully till London I am still learning and I am able to get some good shots. But let's see how it performs on the streets of London. I am actually going to go visit my brother in the UK. वो 2-3 साल से वहाँ पर है, and I have not been able to go there. That has been a trip long pending, and I finally got the time कि यार अब करते हैं. So that is the plan. So हाँ, so धीरे धीरे अब, and I'm flying out on 8th June, तो hardly like एक हफ्ता बचा है. We still have to do packing and all that stuff, and मतलब hair cut वगैरह कराना है, and all that grooming stuff, and तो वो सब करना है. अभी तो let's just start the day and go get some coffee, and yeah, this is detecting. Amazing, man. अच्छा. Dude, to all of you protein freaks out there, this is a game changer. The Provilac का high protein milk है, and it's like it has 50 grams protein in this half-liter pouch. So even with my coffee, I'm taking 25 grams of protein. Like I'll just take half of this. So it's crazy. Coffee. This baby. Nice. See, exactly half used, and we get 25 grams of protein even in your coffee. That is pretty epic. So I have like a monthly subscription running for this. Every 3rd day I will get 1 pouch of this and 1 liter of normal milk. So including that, वो मेरे को महीने में total 3-3.5 हज़ार रुपये तो मेरे सिर्फ दूध, not even dairy products, it's only milk. So but yeah, I mean it's good, so why not. Yeah, the only thing is that this milk is a bit thick, and it's like naturally a bit sweet, so I don't even need to add like a little bit of sugar. थोड़ी सी consistency off है, but ठीक है, it's fine. I mean, if you're getting 25 grams of protein, you can't complain. So also, by the way, this is like the area outside of my room that this is just like the common space. We have this one wall which is our eternal birthday wall. So यहाँ पे जब भी कोई हैप्पी बर्थडे लगता है तो उतरता नहीं है, एंड भी थोड़े कपड़े सुखाते हैं यहाँ पर. एंड yeah, we just have like our fridge right outside of our room, and there are 2 of us on the first floor. This is his room and this is my room. So and yeah, then we have 1 person living in the ground floor, and मतलब ये थोड़ा unofficial सा house tour दे रहा हूँ मैं but yeah, and up we go. And this is our terrace on the right, and left पे have another room. Just as you can see, there is one guy here. So, this is Sayyam Srivastav, by the way. इसके साथ मैंने वीडियो बनाई है recently. You can go check it out on my channel. एक सेकेंड. This is so we were watching some YouTube videos and this came. भाई ने घर में बताया नहीं था कि ही वाज लेड ऑफ एंड मेरी वीडियो सरप्राइजिंगली डिड अ लिटिल वेल और अब लोग हाँ रीच बहुत है उसकी लाइक उसका CTR इज लो दैट इज वाई व्यूज उतने नहीं है बट रीच इज लाइक 3-4 लाख हाँ तो बट कोई नहीं यार अब गूगल में हो गई है तो अब क्या दिक्कत है अब तो दैट इज वाई हमने स्ट्रेटेजिकली वो वीडियो तभी पोस्ट करी थी जब उसकी नौकरी लग चुकी थी तो फिर देयर वाज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम ठीक है यार यही तो होती है वो क्या कहते हैं उसको सक्सेस स्टोरी जो बिल्कुल बॉटम से उठ के आते हैं एक्चुअली मैं एक हफ्ता ज़्यादा भी हूँ ना मई का तो बस 2 ही हफ्ते के लिए नहीं 2 हफ्ते छुट्टी है तीसरा हफ्ते नहीं है छुट्टी
इंडियन टाइम पे काम करना पड़ेगा
हाँ जो कि बढ़िया है ना मेरे लिए ओ
ब्लॉगिंग चल रही है
अरे मनन ग्रोवर इज इन द हाउस ठीक है अब घूम रूम में
नीचे ज्यादा नीचे दो भाई अबे संयम लो
मतलब लिमिट्स तो भाई हैं उसकी बट हाँ मतलब बहुत सही है 360 नहीं है आई थिंक कुछ 200 टाइप्स में है कुछ पूरा तो नहीं होता है उस पे आ जाता है लिखा हुआ कि गिम्बल एंड पॉइंट रीच्ड
क्या सीन है भाई कल का मस्ती शक्ति
यस तो आज रात तो केक काटेंगे तो आज रात को ही पार्टी भी करते हैं मैं तो कहता हूँ कल क्यों होगी पार्टी परफेक्ट है ना आज ही रात को मैं तो बोल दिया सबको शशि भी आ रहा है
हो गया तो ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
यूट्यूब में कैमरा ऐसा है एंड आई कैन शूट ऐसे एंड जैसे ही मेरे को स्ट्रेट फॉर्मेट शूट करना है फिर अबे यार फिर से ऑटो नहीं हुआ हट भाई एनीवे चलो पॉइंट इज क्यों दोनों कर लेता है Okay, so there were a couple of things जो मुझे complete करनी थी. I had to post on LinkedIn, on YouTube. So we officially hit the 5,000 subscribers milestone. Super excited. It's crazy how we've reached 5,000 subscribers. But हाँ, तो वो काम हो गए हैं. Also, I have to schedule a post for tomorrow. Like the YouTube video for this week is going out tomorrow evening. So I still have to post that. वो भी final edit and thumbnails आना left is left. So yeah, but more importantly, birthday party is tonight. Everybody is invited. So yeah, I will quickly go and trim and yeah. और भाई मेरे को लोग क्यों पूछ रहे हैं in the comments that मैं क्या skin care करता हूँ dude. I have even मैं face wash भी अभी 2-3 साल पहले ही start करना चालू करा है. उससे पहले मैं साबुन से मुँह धोता था. Please, so मेरा कोई स्किन केयर रूटीन नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट इज जस्ट फेस वॉश एंड सनस्क्रीन एट दिस पॉइंट नथिंग एल्स वी आर डन ट्रिम हो चुका है लुकिंग गुड नाउ वी आर गोना गो गेट सम essentials for the party
सात्विक it's the next day of the birthday party, and in whatever state we have made it to Coffee Mechanics, which is like sort of our go-to place. Yeah, that's what it is. It's amazing coffees, and yeah, you can just like work and really amazing food. So yeah, it's pretty epic. I'm gonna sit here for some time, relax, करेंगे, get some good food and coffee. सनकिस्ट वो आ रहा है यहाँ पे. वीडियो ले लेता हूँ ऐसे भी. मैं कल के बर्थडे व्लॉग के लिए भी आई विल नीड दिस क्लिप.
Alright, I think yeah, that was it for my 25th birthday vlog, and yeah, I ended the day. It was quite nice. So हम लोगों का like we have this family tradition, and like this is something we've been doing for a long time now. So my mom was like, you have to do this in Bangalore as well. Then I went to the orphanage. उनका like we just sponsored their dinner. And it was pretty chill. उनके साथ बैठे खाए थोड़ा बहुत बातचीत करी. That was it. But yeah, that was mostly what my birthday looked like. And to reflect on the past year, I think it's been like a crazy roller coaster, right? मतलब exactly 1 year back on my last year's birthday, मेरी collarbone surgery हुई थी because I had gotten injured while playing football, and yeah, but the last year has been sort of so rewarding as well, like getting into Google first, then वो first year का grind इतना, and then getting promoted recently, and yeah, starting YouTube उसके अलग, like that has like people have seen so much growth in me. मेरे family वाले are like, damn man, you're like a changed person now. like वो नहीं होता पेरेंट्स का कि जल्दी सोना और सुबह जल्दी उठना चालू कर दिया है, and you know, taking care of my health. So it's been like a pretty rewarding year, and it's been like one of those years where वो कहते हैं ना, like towards your 25th वो आपका frontal lobe I think develop होने लग जाता है, something like that. So yeah, it's like I feel like in my mind my priorities in life are like very set now, what I want to do, and I have a bunch of goals. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, this birthday was pretty good. It's like the standard what we do. कुछ भी birthday होता है तो वही सारे college के दोस्त आ जाते हैं, वही same party, वही same बातें, but it never gets old. It's amazing every time. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please subscribe to the channel. We're still growing, and I remember मैंने अपनी 4000 monetization वाली वीडियो में बोला था कि like I have this goal of 10k in the next 3 months, and we just hit 6k I think 2 दिन पहले. So come on, let's make that happen, man. 10k will be like crazy. 10k पे तो so I have this pact with my friends कि I think like 5000 subs पे 5000 की पार्टी दूंगा, and 10,000 subs पे 10,000 की पार्टी. So that is still valid, and but that is something that मैं खुशी दे दूंगा यार, because like that means a lot. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and actually stay also tuned to the channel for upcoming London vlogs. So excited. So मैं Monday, which is like 2 days from now, this is like my last working day. I'm off for 2 weeks now. And yeah, Monday morning we are flying out to London. मेरा भाई lives in Bristol, but we have this whole trip planned. We are going to Edinburgh. We are going to the West Coast road trip we're doing. Like that's the Cornwall area in UK. And फिर London तो जाएंगे. Then maybe in the 3rd week I'll also go to Manchester. I'm a Manchester City supporter. Unfortunately there's no football going on right now, but yeah, whatever. We'll go to the stadium. देखेंगे आसपास क्या चल रहा है, and yeah, that's the plan. So stick around on the channel for those vlogs as well, and see you soon. Goodbye.